I'm gonna be on people's walls. I'm just so excited. I can already see. Hey my guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Damola Kevwe. Today I am so excited because I will be unboxing my portrait from Ore Ibitayo. Ore Ibitayo is a visual storyteller. We had a shoot a while back, I really can't remember when, but she recently launched her website and apparently my picture is one of the prints that she's selling. Yeah, I'm gonna be in people's houses. Yeah, people are gonna have me on their walls. Anyhow, for those of you that haven't checked out Ore's website, I will drop it right here and in the description box so you can check it out. So let me just quickly take you through the website. I'm just going to skip straight to the process of how I bought it. When you open the website and you go to shop, you would see portraits and then you see my picture, which will be this one. It's titled Damola because yeah, that's my name. So then after that, I just picked my size. I picked 11 by 14 and the frame was 12 by 16. Then I picked my frame color to be black. You can pick your frame color and everything. Then it showed me the final price. Then I added it to my cart. Then after I added it to my cart, I checked out, entered my card details and I paid. And almost immediately after, I got my emails, my confirmation emails telling me that it had all been completed and everything, and my order number, my invoice and everything. Like, it was just very smooth. And then exactly a week later, I got a call from the dispatch rider that he was on his way to drop my print, and I was like, wow, that was fast. So now we're about to unbox it. Look at me, I'm gonna be on people's walls. All right, let's get to business. All right, so this is the whole print. It's really large, and she put her sticker, her logo sticker on it. Then here it has my name and my details for the dispatch rider to easily find me and everything. I hope you guys can see that because I don't want you guys to come and find me. So let's get unboxing. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited on so many levels. First of all, this is my first unboxing video, first framed photo from like proper. How do I explain? Okay, this is my first frame photo that is not a family portrait stuff and everything. This is like my first modeling. Like, I'm just so excited. Oops, I already spoke it. All right. Alright, so we have the first. Do I need to open the bottom? I can just flip it out now. Out, smart girl. I can already see. Can you please? Oh, it's upside down. I feel like I'm almost crying. Ooh, a model. Do you know that this girl, this girl they are seeing here is me? Is me, you guys, is me. Whoa, ho. You guys, I'm so excited. And it has like a place to hang it. I'm going to put it up on my bedroom wall. I'll go and do that when I'm done with this video and show you guys. It's a collection of Damola Kevwe stuff. Heaps. Woo, you ain't ready for this vibe. Hey. You guys. Hi. God. Oh my God. I'm a speck. I'm gonna be on your mother's walls, your sister's walls, your auntie, uncle, brother, girlfriend, boyfriend's wall. Because I am a super speck. Because I'm actually so excited. Oh, Father in heaven. Ore Ibitayo, God bless you. I I was about to throw away the wrapping paper, and I found out that there's a card inside. Focus. Yeah, there's a card inside, and she said to being the inspiration behind this and helping bring it to life. Ooh, you guys, I got myself a thank you card. Then she put thank you at the bottom. That's all I have for you guys today. I will see you guys next time, because I can't see you next week because something special is happening this whole month of September. So stay tuned for what's happening this September. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh please, I've forgotten, I'm so excited. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, because why not? And share, comment, shop Ore Ibitayo because she's a vibe and her prints are a vibe, and I am a spec, so shop my pic on Ore Ibitayo's website. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time, because I can't say next week because September. Watch out for this whole month, guys. Bye. Cheers. Tables.